Good morning, students. Let us discuss about the next illustration. ABC Company Limited issued 20,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. The amount was payable as follows. Rupees 2 per share on application, rupees 3 per share on allotment, and rupees 5 per share on first and final call. All the shares were subscribed and the money duly received except the first and final call on 500 shares held by Mr. A. The directors forfeited these shares and then these forfeited shares were reissued to Mr. B at rupees 7 per share as fully paid up. Pass the journal entries. Now, ABC Company has issued 20,000 equity shares and the face value of the share is 10 rupees. Now, this 10 rupees they have collected in 3 different installments. That is, in application stage they have received 2 rupees. In the allotment stage they have received 3 rupees. And first and final call they have received 5 rupees. So, total will be 10 rupees. 5 plus 3 plus 2 is 10 rupees. That is nothing but the face value. What happened? All the shares were subscribed and the money duly received except the first and final call on 500 shares held by Mr. A. So, 500 shares idu final call alli hanavanna receive madlilla. Some Mr. A has been subscribed for those shares. What the directors has done, they have forfeited. That means they have cancelled those shares and that shares were reissued to Mr. B at 7 per share. Now we have to pass the journal entries. Let us go one by one. What is the first thing that we have to do? We have to pass the journal entry for the application stage. So what is the journal entry for receiving the application money? It is bank account dated to share application account. How many shares were issued? It is 20,000 shares were issued. What is the value? Application stage value? They have to pay 2 rupees. Face value is 10, but in the application stage, they will pay only 2 rupees. So, 20,000 into 2 in the sense, the shareholders will pay 40,000 rupees. In total it is. It is not individual. It is in total, the company will collect 40,000 rupees in the application stage. That is the first journal entry. What about the second one? The application money, whatever is there, the individual application money will be transferred to share capital account. Now, since it is an equity share issued, so they will open equity share capital account, common equity share capital account, and this money will be transferred to that. So, journal entry will be share application account dated to equity share capital account. What is the amount? Same 40,000 will be transferred over here. So, we have to write the narration being application money transferred to share capital account after the allotment. So, here we have done with the application stage. First, the company has received the money in the bank. So, at the rate of 2 rupees and the same money was transferred to equity share capital account. So, 2 journal entries for the application stage. What is the next one? They said rupees 3 per share on allotment. 2 journal entries for application stage. Okay. Next is rupees 3 per share on allotment. Now again we have to pass a journal entry for allotment. So let us go with the third journal entry. Share allotment account dated to equity share capital account. So 20,000 shares has been allotted, issued, and allotment stage the company will receive 3 rupees. Okay, 20 into 3,000 is nothing but 60,000 they are going to collect with the help of allotment stage. The company will say, so we are going to collect with the help of 20,000 equity share at the rate of 3, will collect 60,000 rupees. Now the next journal entry is for the collection of that money. I mean receiving of that particular money. Bank account dated to share allotment account. The same 60,000 rupees will be received here, being allotment money received on 20,000 shares. These 2 journal entries for allotment stage. What is the next one? Next is about the first and final call. Rupees 5 per share on first and final call. So, the next journal entry is the company will say how much amount we are going to collect in the first and final call stage. So, fifth journal entry is for the first and final call. So, the journal entry is first and final call account dated to equity share capital account. Again it is 20,000 shares were issued at the rate of 5 rupees. So the total is 1 lakh they are going to collect with the help of first and final call. Now what happened under first and final call? Have they received all the money? Now we have to check the sum. What happened here? All the shares were subscribed and money duly received except the first and final call on 5,000 shares held by Mr. A. ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್, they have failed to pay that the one person who has holded 500 shares was failed to pay that first and final call money. ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಪೇಮೆಂಟನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. According to the company, they were supposed to receive 1 lakh rupees on first and final call account. Now what had happened? One shareholder has not paid 500 share ka that 5 rupees. Now how much has been they received then? Out of 20,000 shares, okay, 500 shares were not received. Then what is the remaining? 19,500 shares idu hanavanna matra company receive ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 500 ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮನಿ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪೇಡ್ ಫಾರ್ 500. ದೆನ್ ಎಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹಣ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? 19,500 ಶೇರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹಣ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೈ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ 19,500 ಇಂಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಇದು 5 ರೂಪೀಸನ್ನು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವರು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಹಣ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಾಗಾದರೆ? 97,500 ಓನ್ಲಿ. Now why we have not taken 20,000 here? Because 500 shares idu hana bandilla, 5 rupees. One person, Mr. A, has not paid that money. That is why we have received money for only 19,500 shares. That is why we have specified bank account debtor to share first and final call account 19,500 into 5 rupees. That is 97,500 rupees. Being first and final call money received on 19,500 share at rupees 5 per share. Now this till here we have finished with application stage, allotment stage and first and final call. What is the next one? What they said? They said whatever this 500 shares Mr. A has not paid, the directors forfeited these shares for the non-payment. Forfeited these shares. What do you mean by forfeited? Cancellation of the shares for the non-payment of first and final call money. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಈ 500 ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಹಣ ಪೇ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಎ ಇಂದ, ಆ ಶೇರ್ಸನ್ನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡದೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಟು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಶೇರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪಾಸ್ ದ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಫೀಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಶೇರ್? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಶೇರ್, ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಟರ್, ಟು forfeited, to first and final call account. Now how many shares were forfeited? That is 500 shares were forfeited. Yes, what is the face value of a share? Face value of a share is 10 rupees. 2 forfeited share. Now what do you mean by this forfeited share? Is nothing but how much money has been paid. That is, in the application stage they have paid 2 rupees plus allotment stage they have paid 3 rupees. Total 5 rupees has been paid. That we are showing here, 500 into 5 rupees. That is what they have received. Okay. To first and final call account 5 rupees which has not been paid. Hana receive aglilla. 5 rupees idu. That they have specified here. So in total it is 5,000. Forfeit 2,500 and in the first and final call 2,500 rupees they have not received. So being forfeiture of 5,000 share for the non-payment of first and final call on 5 per share. That is what they have specified. This is for the forfeiture of shares. Now what they have done, the company has done, these forfeited shares were reissued to Mr. B at rupees 7 per share. ಅದನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ರೀಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಪಾಯಿಗೆ? 7 rupeesಗೆ ರೀಇಶ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Now we have to pass the journal entry for the reissue of share. This 8 journal entry is for the reissue. So bank account, debtor, forfeited share account to equity share capital. So ಎಷ್ಟು ಶೇರ್ ಅನ್ನ reissue ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ? That whatever forfeited shares were there 500, that was reissued. So 500 into 7 rupees ಗೆ reissue ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Actual face value ನಮ್ಮದು 10, but now they have issued for 7 rupees. Okay, so bank account, that is nothing but 500 into 7. Actual face value of a share is 500 into 10. What is the difference? That is 3 rupees. So that we have specified here. The reissued value is 3500, because of which 1500 is a difference amount. The actual face value of a share is 5000 rupees. So this is for the reissue of share. Now whatever difference amount is there in the forfeited account will be transferred to capital reserve account, the last journal entry, that is forfeited share account dated to capital reserve account. Now check this forfeited shares, 2500 rupees minus 1500 rupees. This is a profit because the face already the company was received money. Now there is a difference amount, that is nothing but 1000 rupees has been transferred to share capital account.